Hello and welcome to Fabulous Adventures. Today I'm going to be reviewing the winter Causebox, a self-care adventure. It is the first time that I have gotten Causebox, and I am a little late on this video. I think if you do the winter box, it's actually going to have some different things in it, but I thought I would still go ahead and do it. Sometimes they have products in an add-on sale later, so you may want to see, or you may be able to purchase, or sometimes there's trade threads as well, or maybe the box will show up somewhere. You never know. But there were some really great products in here, and it gives you kind of an idea of what kind of things Causebox has. So Causebox is a quarterly subscription, and they really focus on things that are good for the environment, small business, women-led businesses. It's pretty cool. And it comes with a really comprehensive magazine almost that explains everything and what the products, how they're sourced, and the good that they do. And it also gives the price. This is a box that you can customize. If you do the whole year, you can make all of the choices. My understanding when I signed up is that, unlike FabFitFun, where you get to still make some choices, there was not an option for any choices unless you did the whole year, which when I did it, you got your first box free, I believe. So, there's always specials and deals. And I went ahead and did that because I wanted to be able to choose. And the big item that caught my eye, and she's wearing it here, and I am too, that I'm going to start with, this is why, is this, it's called a cloud wrap. And it's super duper soft. And I have not worn it out of the house yet. You can, and I've looked at pictures and videos, and I'm gonna style it at some point, but it's just very, very cozy. And I have just really enjoyed wearing it around the house. The really cool thing about this, and I don't know if I can stand, and you can kind of see the length of it. It's got pockets. The really cool thing about this particular item is that it is made 100% out of recycled water bottles, which I thought was really cool. And the company, it's all sustainable stuff. It's called Thread and Supply is the company. And they have some really cool stuff on there. That's something I'd like to get into. It's kind of hard because the sustainable clothing is expensive. But this is a start, right? So, and I just thought that was really cool that it was made out of recycled water bottles. How cool is that? And it's very, very cozy, and I like the color. So it's big win. It retails for $110 is what it says on here, which is a lot, right? And this box, I believe it's like quarterly. I should look these things up for sure before I do it. I think it's around $49.99, I believe. But I did get the first box free, so it ended up being less than that for me. And like I said, they seem to always have kind of deals that you want to look out for. All right, so that is the first item. The second item, also a great sustainable thing. These are reusable pouches, and what I like about these is they have a flat bottom, so you can actually set them down while you're filling them, and I think that's pretty cool. There are a bunch of different sizes. One's not in here because I'm using it right now, but they're great sizes. It says recommended hand wash, but I'm gonna try to do it in the dishwasher and see what happens. Actually, I think I did put one in the dishwasher, and I think it was okay. But, don't quote me on that. But, yeah, I really like these. I have other ones that are dishwasher safe, but the thing is, they're kind of hard to open, and these are really easy. These are kind of easier to use, and they hold more. So I do like these. And this is called Boone Supply is the company. And it does, I mean, it has, to me, doesn't that mean, can you see that with the little cup glass? I think, doesn't that mean dishwasher? I don't know. I'm going to try it. I think I did try it, and I think it was okay. And I can't remember now. Okay, next thing that I chose are these foot masks, and these are really great. My feet looked so pretty, and felt really nice. It's peony foot mask, but it wasn't overly floral. I don't do well with floral stuff. This is what they look like. And you put them on your feet, they fasten really easily. I really, really like them. And I think those, I was going to tell you all the retail, but what did I do with the book? I always do this. So this was, you could also get this tea kettle for the sweater. And this one, you could get cutting boards. The zip pouches were, and they replaced more than 300 single-use bags per piece for a total of 1,500 single-use bags. That's pretty great. And those were $22. And then the foot mask was, which is vegan and cruelty-free. $45, they say. I think there was like 5 of them. I think, yeah. Was I going on to something else? I think I'm on to my next. Okay, so this I was really excited about too. This is the Rejuvenating Body Polish, and it's called True Moringa, but it also has coffee in it, which my husband and I own a coffee shop, and we actually are involved with some farms that we're working on more and more being able to partner with farmers through a friend of ours. And anyways, that's another story, but that imports, but it's very exciting. So, and that's what they do here. They work directly with coffee farmers and with True Moringa. And it has both of those things in it. It's very, I don't know if you can see, it's not moist at all. It's very powdery. I really liked it, but I will say, if you do not like coffee, you will not like this. It really feels and smells like coffee grounds, which to me is a good thing, right? But literally in the shower, it looked like there was coffee grounds coffee on the bottom of the shower. Very rejuvenating. I'm going to use this in the morning, which, I take my showers at night right now, so I'm going to kind of save it for summer. Because I will say, I felt like it really did brighten my legs, like they looked better, and I'm more concerned about that in the summer. So, but a great product if you like coffee, if you like the smell of coffee. If you do not, this is not the product for you, because it is, even though it says True Moringa, it's much more, it's very, very strong coffee. But it is a great polish, and it smells really good to me because I like coffee. All right, and I think this is our last item. Yeah. This is the white, no, it's not the last item. There's one more. This is a toner, and it is Skin & Co., and it's white truffle, which I have gotten a white truffle cleanser in a FabFitFun box, and a white truffle oil cleanser in another box. I think it was a TheraBox. So they do a lot with boxes, apparently. And it's nice. I like this toner. It's good toner. I'm kind of new to the whole toner thing, but it makes my face feel nice. And I think it's I think it's good. I think. I like it. And then the last item, so that was, that one was not a choice. Everybody just got that. With the Moringa, you could also get these coasters. That was the other choice. And there was a journal planner kind of thing with the foot mask. And then this was a silk pillowcase or socks. And I have the socks, which are very soft. They say they retail for $25, which seems like a lot to me. But they are soft and they're cute. You can scrunch them or whatever. I don't know what my leg looked like. But there it is. Don't cover up that part. They are nice and cozy. I'm feeling oh so cozy. And yeah, those are, what was Maggie's Organics Heathered Slouchy Socks is what those are called. And that is the winter Causebox. And it comes in this cool box. Oh, and they come with these postcards. I think it's a different one every time. It's pretty. And there's the box. And that is the end. Thanks for watching. And subscribe if you liked what you saw. Have a great day.